Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a video that's been requested quite a bit on my channel, and I'm going to be doing like a kind of a little mini room tour. I've still got some of my Christmas decorations up because Christmas has only just been. It might be a few days later when you've actually seen this, it might even be the new year now. But yeah, I'm just going to show you my room, how it's set up. There is a couple of things that I'm still not sure and I might change yet, but I just thought I'd show you what it is now, because I do get requests for this video when I ask you guys what you would like to see, so I am giving it to you. So let's just jump straight into flip the camera around, and then you can see, like, I'll show you like my TV and stuff that's around here, and then we'll just go around the room. I'll start off with my makeup desk, just because obviously you've seen my makeup desk in my other video, like my I think I've got a makeup collection and a declutter on my channel. So what I'll do is I'll leave them videos linked down below, and then you can see what's in my makeup collection. I'm not going to show you what's in it, but my top setup has changed a little bit. So this is just what my makeup desk now looks like. So I have like lights all around my mirror now. I will actually just turn that off, to be honest. See what it looks like. So it's just like got like lights all around it now. I have put my light on my camera just so you can see it. So I've just obviously got my Alex drawers, which you know about. There's just like my hairdryer and stuff down there, and the lights for my Christmas tree. So here we've just got like my Jaclyn Hill stuff, just because I don't really know where to put it yet, and also I really like the packaging of it, so I kind of don't want to like put it away. And then we've got my mirror and my little thing here, my brushes, and then I actually got this for Christmas off my mum and dad. It's like heated rollers, so I really like it. You can put like just volume in your hair and stuff like that, and it's really easy to do, and it gives it a really nice kind of like bouncy wave. So yeah, we've got obviously my Alex drawer units and just my lights as normal. And then if you swing it around to this side, this is basically just got like all of my perfumes on, and there's some of Alex's there and his watches and my watches and stuff. My MacBook is just under here. This is just one of the mom sets. It's the 6, so they're all like together. And then I've just got like a little gift set that I got for Christmas, and my little bear thing and a little balloon. So this has got like, this has just got like bits and bobs in this drawer. Then in this one there is like my jewellery and stuff like that, and then the other 4 are just like clothes. Then the next thing that I've got is my wardrobe. I'm waiting to get some nicer handles for them. I haven't found the size that fits. The one that came with the wardrobe, I didn't really like it. It was kind of like a really cheap handle, so I am waiting to get some of them. So obviously there is this, and then just behind my makeup desk I have 2 candles which are just burning. I do have another one here that isn't burning, obviously. Just a little photo that has my name on it, and then Alex just doing his car thing. So that's the top behind my desk. All my brushes and stuff. We just move on to this bit here, which is obviously my Christmas tree is here as well, along with my TV. It's the same kind of Christmas tree that I had last year in my old room, and then also on it we've got this little kind of like candle thing. It says it's What a Wonderful Christmas, and I've just got like kind of fake tea lights in there because I don't like to keep stuff lit in my room if I'm not going to be in it all the time. Then we've just got 2 like ceramic penguins, and also my little picture of me and Alex. And then as you come around to the next bit, it is my TV, and then I've got all my DVDs down the bottom, just some like little stuffed teddies and stuff. My TV, my little Bose system thing, because if I want to play music it gives like a really good sound in my room, and I don't also need to have my TV on, I can just plug my phone in. And then we've just got this little picture here with some fairy lights around it, and then spinning around there's just like a little electric fire here. I do have it on at the moment because my room's a little bit chilly, and I do have a lamp there. So that is what actually causes the flickering sometimes in my videos, so I've swapped it. Okay, that one's doing it as well now, God's sake. So I am going to be getting 2 new lamps for in my room, just because it's kind of doing my head in. But in the old house I only ever used to use 1 lamp, so that's like borrowed. This one here is like borrowed from another room. And then I've just got my bed, and then I've got my New York picture above it with that one, which you see this in the back of my videos anyway. And then we've just got a perfume up the top and this little sign that says leave a little Christmas sparkle wherever you go, and then just my platform 9 3/4 and a couple of other Christmassy bits as well. So yeah, this was just a really quick room tour. It's nothing too special really. Obviously now you get to see what's behind me when I'm filming videos and stuff, and how much other space I actually have. Like I said, I am going to replace the lamps. I just don't know what lamps to get yet, because I thought that touchscreen one were really good, but it flickers on the camera, which is a bit of a downside. So I might look and see if I can get a set or something, because I do really like the silver kind of effect. So I'll see if I can get something like that. Obviously Christmas decorations will be coming down soon, very soon now, because obviously Christmas is over and we are now going into the new year. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this room tour. Like I said, it's just a little quick video. Obviously it's been requested, but it's nothing too exciting, unfortunately. But yeah, if there is any other videos that you would like to see me create or do, then please just leave me a comment down below. And also, if you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button down below. And I'll catch you in the next one. Alright, bye guys.